Uh-oh. Hand.
Is it lost forever?
Come back. Oh, I see a finger. Oh no, where's your finger going? Your hand's back. Uh-oh, your hand's stuck too? Oh no. Oh my gosh. You guys are going to have a big problem. Can't go to Disney World with stuck hands. Can you get them unstuck? Gotta go to the Magic Kingdom. No? Hopefully it's warm tonight. No rain. When you're sleeping out here with those stuck hands. Oh my gosh, I do. I think your hand's getting unstuck. Is your hand stuck? Oh no, you can't go on the airplane if your hand's stuck.
We go on an airplane too.
Oh, no way.
Oh, no